Aloe Vera really is Mother Nature's absolute hero skin treatment. And today I want to talk about why I chose aloe vera as a base in our skincare range instead of water like most other brands do. In fact, our range goes beyond just the super nourishing aloe vera, as each skincare product contains 3 native Australian botanicals that go together to form our superfruit renewal system. So the gorgeous aloe vera, desert lime, kangaroo apple, and Davison plum. But I spoke about our superfruit renewal system in another video. So today I just want to focus on why I chose aloe vera and why it was 100% persuasive for me. These are my reasons. Number 1, did you know that our skin is naturally lipophilic, oil-loving, as opposed to hydrophilic, water-loving? So aloe vera is easily absorbed into our skin. In fact, 4 times faster than water. It's also a great carrier to deliver nutrients and botanicals and actives deep into the epidermis. It balances the pH level of our skin, proving that it was the perfect suspension for our superfruit renewal system. On its own, aloe vera has fantastic antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and also cell regenerating properties, bursting full of fatty amino acids, vitamins A and B, folic acid, enzymes, and proteins, which all go to super boost the formulation. It is known universally as calming, protecting, nourishing, and as a skin treatment for minor skin irritations. So I really could go on, but I think you get the message. And it's quite clear that using aloe vera as a base, together with our unique Australian native superfruit renewal system, instead of just water, creates a superbly nourishing, active formulation that's just perfect for your skin.